Namaste everyone. We shall do today Bakasana. This strengthens our abdomen, strengthens our back, and also our arms. It helps them make them strong. Today we will do the beginner's pose so everyone can do it. First sit like this in Vajrasana, then sit in an Indian squat posture like this. Press your back on the wall. Today we will do with wall support. Spread your knees wider, and to keep the hands there are two ways. You can either push your hands under your knees like this so that your knees are pressed on your triceps. The second way is you take your hands over your knees and let your knee go near to your triceps or shoulders. We shall do the first variation for now. This is a very important asana if you want to strengthen your arms and core muscles. So how to do is place your palms like this on the floor, go a little bit backwards, lift your hips up and press your knees on your triceps. Once you balance, take one leg up on the wall, second leg up on the wall, and just try to maintain your balance there. Tighten your core muscles. Do not go backward towards the wall. Make sure your body weight is in the center. This is a very simpler version. Let us try this second now. Second one is an important posture because when we will do this posture, you can also try this without support. So you place the arms as I had shown earlier. Then lift your hips a little bit higher than the previous posture. Shift your body weight little bit in front and touch your toes, only toes on the wall. This time the toes will go a little higher than the earlier posture. You can come forward and back, come forward and back to try and maintain the balance. Just have a look at the side angle. This is an important posture, as I told you. Strengthens our core, our lower back, back and front, back and front. And when you're confident, you can hold this posture for a longer time. You can relax. Since our wrists are taking the weight, we have to stretch the wrists this way, and you are done.